Want to start mining Bitcoin on your PC, but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to mine Bitcoin from home. No crazy setups, no tech jargon, and no expensive rigs. Just your PC, an internet connection, and a few simple tools. Let's get into it. What is Bitcoin mining? Before we start clicking buttons, let's understand what Bitcoin mining actually is. In simple terms, mining is how new Bitcoin is created and how transactions are confirmed. Your PC solves complex math problems, and if it solves them faster than others, you get rewarded in Bitcoin. But here's the catch. Mining Bitcoin directly with just a regular PC isn't super profitable. So most beginners join mining pools to combine their computing power with others and share the rewards. What you need before you start. Here's what you need before we start mining. A computer running Windows 10 or 11. Laptops work, but desktops are better. A reliable internet connection. A cryptocurrency wallet to receive your Bitcoin. And most importantly, a good GPU. Mining with just a CPU is possible, but super slow and not worth it. Don't worry, I'll also show you how to mine with low-end hardware just for learning purposes. Step-by-step setup. Step 1. Get a wallet. First, you need a Bitcoin wallet. This is where your mined Bitcoin will go. You can use a free wallet like Exodus or a crypto exchange like Coinbase. Sign up, follow the verification steps, and copy your Bitcoin wallet address. You'll need this later. Step 2. Download mining software. Next, head over to nicehash.com. This is the easiest platform for beginners. It's a mining pool and marketplace in one. Click Get Started, create an account, then download the NiceHash Quick Miner or NiceHash Miner, depending on your GPU. Step 3. Install and benchmark. Once downloaded, install the software. It might trigger a warning from Windows. This is common with mining software. Just allow it through your antivirus. After that, the software will benchmark your system to see how well it can mine. This takes a few minutes. Step 4. Start mining. Once the benchmark is done, click Start Mining. That's it. Your computer will begin solving algorithms, and you'll see live stats, hash rate, estimated earnings, and so on. Every few hours or days, you'll earn small amounts of Bitcoin, which go into your NiceHash wallet. Helpful tips for beginners. Here are some helpful tips to make the most out of your mining experience. Watch your temps. Mining heats up your PC. Use software like MSI Afterburner to monitor GPU temps and keep them below 80 degrees Celsius. Watch your power costs. Mining uses a lot of electricity. Make sure it's actually worth it after calculating your energy bill. Use it while idle. Set mining to run when you're not gaming or working. It can make passive income in the background. Payout settings. Make sure your wallet address is linked properly to get your payments. NiceHash usually pays out once you hit a certain threshold. Don't expect to get rich overnight. This is a slow and steady process. The real value is learning how crypto and blockchain work. Is it still worth it? Here's the big question. Is mining still worth it in 2025? The answer depends on your electricity costs, hardware, and market prices. If you have a decent GPU and cheap electricity, it can still be profitable. But if you're on a laptop or don't have a dedicated GPU, it's more of a learning experience than a moneymaker. And that's how you mine Bitcoin on your PC the easy way. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a guide on mining Ethereum or other coins. Links to everything I showed today are in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy mining.